Model photography. That's probably one of the most fun things about being a photographer, when you have a gorgeous model and she listens to you. How often in life does that ever happen? But there's some things you need to think about when you're shooting model photography. You have to realize that most people are very nervous. You have to be a good talker and relax them. You have to look at them very close, because one thing in that picture can go wrong. If their necklace is backwards and you don't see it, the picture's going to be terrible. You're going to have to reshoot it or Photoshop it, and it's going to just take a lot more time. Remember that most models, when they're amateurs, they're not used to posing, but don't touch them. Work with them. If you want them to move to the right or the left, move with them. Use hand gestures. Tell them stories. If you want them to come closer, use your hands. Generally, we have a lot of personal space. If you're a male photographer and you reach in to adjust a female's hair, it's going to shut her down. You have to think about that. Ask permission for everything you do. Even if you're a wedding photographer, you have to be thinking about people's personal space. When you shoot pictures of guys, we generally don't like to touch each other. You might have a picture with your best friend, and if there's 2 feet between you, guys look like you don't know each other. So you have to say, guys, can you get a little closer? Joke with them. It's okay to touch each other for this picture. I want you to look good. That's your job as a photographer. You have to see these things. But you just have to remember that we have space issues. If you work on that, talk to your models, show them what you're doing, you'll get a lot better pictures. Just have fun with that. You're in control. Take good pictures, show them to the people, use different sites. You'll get really good at it. Good luck shooting models.